Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix trades login session expired. If you're seeing the trades login session expired error, it usually means your session token has become invalid, which can happen due to login from another device, either a software or app update, and a network or server side issue, etc. So here is how you can fix it. The first solution is to go into these two lines on the top right corner of your profile. Make sure that you are in your profile and tap on them, and right here I want you to log out, and after you log out I want you to force the app to be closed and then try to log in back. If this still doesn't work in, or the error still appears to you, I just want you to get through your settings, and after that I want you to look for and scroll down, okay, and look for apps. So tap on apps, and right here on your apps I want you to go into the second option, manage apps. Tap on it, and right here I want you to look for trades app, trades, and once you get here I want you to go into clear data, and here I want you to tap on the second option, which is clear cache. So by tapping on clear cache, you will clear the cache of trades app, and it will be fixed 100%. Anyways guys, these two solutions are the best. Try them, and don't worry, it's fixed. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share that video with your beloved ones, and thank you again.